Vance and Hines have been around since 1979, and actually Byron Hines and Terry Vance started racing in the mid-70s, and they have been winning for over 40 years on two wheels, literally. They built the company on racing, and the products today are all about racing heritage. We make performance exhausts for just about every motorcycle brand on the planet. BMW motorcycles, Honda motorcycles, and of course Harley-Davidson motorcycles. We also make some great electronic fuel management products, and we make them right here in Southern California. So Vance and Hines is known for really high quality. Terry and Byron built into the DNA of this organization a really fully integrated mentality where we make all of the components of the products from the ground up. We buy pipe right here in Southern California, we cut it, we bend it, we weld it, and we put it together into some of the best performance exhausts on the planet. And we do the same thing with electronics products. We're making the circuit boards right here in Southern California. We're putting all that product together with the highest quality standards so that it has an incredible impact on the rider and the experience they want to get out of their motorcycle. Vance and Hines has had a long-standing relationship with Harley-Davidson. They've been running Harley's factory racing programs since the year 2000. And obviously they make a lot of products that fit a lot of great Harley-Davidson motorcycles, so customers know about that. And so the relationship between Vance and Hines and Harley-Davidson is a real natural fit. Vance and Hines have been racing two wheels for over 40 years. And I mean, literally, our organization, every weekend of the year almost, is gearing up for a race. It's in our blood. It's in our engineering community. It's in our product development community. We're coming to work every day, and we actually joke because it's not like coming to work, right? We're coming to help our teams win and then take those products and make them applicable to market so riders around the country can enjoy them. You know, Vance and Hines is really excited about being part of this AFT show. I mean, it's got a great fan base, it's got a growing fan base, and if you haven't been to a race recently, I highly recommend you get to one because it is some of the best entertainment in motorsports racing there is.